Now let's check one more feature of inheritance, and this last feature is called abstract contracts. Okay, abstract contracts allow us to create contracts that can contain functions that are not implemented. However, contracts that are implementing or inheriting this abstract contract, they need to implement the functions that are defined in the abstract contract. To create an abstract contract, we say abstract, then contract, and let's call it contract D. Okay? And now what we do is, let's create a function called who are you, that is gonna be public, virtual, okay, and then it's gonna return a string memory, and that's all. Notice that this contract doesn't have any implementation. Okay, now let's do that the contract A has to inherit this contract. We're gonna say contract D. However, check that it's failing because we are not implementing the method that this contract is defining. So we need to implement it in order to get rid of this error. So I'm gonna add the implementation here, and I'm just gonna say return who are you, let's say a person, and we need to override. Okay, yeah, this can be pure. Okay, and now it's working. So we are implementing this contract D and this who are you function. Okay, so now the code works properly. All right, let's deploy again 0 as the initial type, and then we can call who are you, a person. Who am I external, contract B. Who am I, contract A. We can change the type, and now contract B.